Today's Maker Lab Home Edition is making a recycled memory journal. So, how you do it? Well, first you make the cover out of the paperboard or cereal box. You can draw around a journal you have that you like the size of and then cut it out. And then you can cover it with something that you find in the recycle, a piece of paper that you like. I happen to have a map that was sent as a part of some junk mail. And I wrapped it around the cardboard I'd cut out and glued it down. And then I glued in an inner cover. This happened to be a very thick, heavy piece of cardstock. I took about 4 pieces of paper. You can take anywhere from 4 to 8. Any more than 8 doesn't really work. I trimmed it down a bit to make it fit. And then I took the screw and I pushed the sharp point of the screw through in 3 places. Roughly in the middle and roughly about 1 inch in on each side, but it doesn't have to be perfect. And then I took some twine that I had literally lying around. So you can draw it over a bar of soap several times, and that'll make a really thick pointed end that then you can do a figure 8 going through the middle and out the bottom, through the middle again, that's a tough one, out the other side, and what you end up with are 2 pieces that you can just tie together. And so that's the outside of the journal. Then you can start filling it with stuff. Thanks so much. Take care and be well.